So Taimur's nanny's monthly pay is over rupees 1,50,000. That is a news item. Do you know it went viral?
Really?
Yeah, it did.
Deepika Padukone, what would I want from her? Just people tell me, they're like, oh, why is she working? She should be with Taimur. Or why is she doing this? She should be with it. I mean, like, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, who does all this and who says this? I think I've been that kind of girl who's always still been confident in myself. You know, I've never lost that steam and that confidence.
Which is
That
great.
is something that, you know, I think people just need to have that. That's why I tell everybody that, you know, wear your confidence and wear it, you know, wear it hard. Because that's where you need it the most, you know. See how my reputation is. I just can't understand what Karan is doing.
It's good na to have all the ga.
No. Karan! His wardrobe, some of his jackets, because I want to chuck them.
And Dharma also na. You want to be the CEO of Dharma someday.
That though I'll have, but I want to take some of the jackets and chuck them. I shouldn't get married. I shouldn't become a mother. There are things that are like, you know, what is this? So many, like, if you read even comments,
Yeah.
which people tell me, they're like, oh, why is she working? She should be with Taimur. Or why is she doing this? She should be with it. I mean, like, you know,
Yeah.
I mean, who does all this and who says this? Nobody knows what my equation is, what my life is. And I just feel that as a working woman, if my child knows that and grows up knowing that his mother is a working
Yeah.
woman, his respect for women will grow tenfold.
Yeah.
And I want to make a man of him. I want to make a man who will know that.
Yeah.
You know, because he should know both his parents have worked really hard to give him a life and he'll respect me, hopefully, a lot more. No, I don't think bullying. I think that I was always very happy in my size and shape. I was I was slightly chubby and I was always chubby even in the first film also, you know. But I was very like, listen, I love my parathas. I'm a proper Punjabi kudi. I love it and I'm very proud of it and I can't be any other way. And I'm here for my talent now. I want to
True.
sell my talent here. I'm not here for anything else. And of course, then after that, the pressure, yes, of wanting to be like, you know, people are like, oh no, but she's very good. She's good in front of the camera. But, you know, will she look good in glamorous roles?
ऐसा भी हुआ.
Huh. So then that had to be there, na? Because then eventually that glamorous
True.
thing has to kind of, you know, take over. Yeah, I mean, people even now, they're like, oh, stepmom. Certain comments and people say that. And for what? Because I have no idea, because that's not the case.
Yeah.
You know, I don't look at my life like that and I don't think anybody should either. In fact, I don't know why, or probably look at that word in the right way.
Yeah.
You know, if you're saying it, don't say it with a negative,
Yeah. Connotation.
yes, attached to it.
Yeah.
You know, because everything is not negative. It doesn't have to be. It was, yeah, like you said, it was my choice that I made. It was something that I wanted to do. And it was not something that I was trying to prove a point to anyone. It was
True.
just that because I am used to working, I love my job. And if people are signing me and wanting to do ads or wanting to do things, or I was happy to do the movie.
Yeah.
So I was like, what is wrong with it? As long as I'm looking after myself, I think there's nothing wrong in a woman going to work. And for that matter, even working after giving birth. Temu sometimes, like, even if we want to take a picture, he's sometimes like, no photos. Now he's learned how to say that also.
Yeah.
That no pictures, no photos, because he's constantly being watched. And he realizes that he's, you know, being clicked now. Well, of course, I mean, this culture has, you know, it's been there for a while, and I think they should, nobody's saying not to do their job. Everybody's saying just to give them a little space. Because, you know, they're children and they need
Yeah.
an environment to grow up which is safe and secure,
Yeah.
where they can be the way they want. And that's just the way we want our
Absolutely.
children to be in. I don't want to grow up covering my child's face.
Yeah.
I can't, because that would be, I feel that would scar him even more. Because he'd be like, why are you doing this? You know, I mean, that's not normal. So, at least for me and Seth. So, yeah, we're going to try our best, you know, to keep the atmosphere as normal, as safe and secure as much as possible. We don't understand it. Firstly, that doesn't even look like Taimur, you know.
Yeah.
It looks like Chucky the doll.
Yeah.
And I just feel like, why are they even naming Taimur? And why this obsession? What is the reason? Because we're not being able to understand the reason, you know.
Yeah.
So it is, of course, it's annoying, you know. I just feel really, really annoyed.
Taimur's nanny's monthly pay is over rupees 1,50,000. That is a news item. Do you know it went viral?
Really?
Yeah, it did.
But like I said, I don't talk shop. been so supportive, so open to the fact,
Yeah.
you know, that his wife should be working, his mother of his child should be working. He's, you know, kind of always been there for me in each and every
Yeah.
way. And I told Saif, I said, listen, I'm never going to stop working because I love my work and this is what it is. And he was like, no, you must do that. So for me, I am a confident girl. I've always been that. I think it was just that, you know, obviously we were making Tashan, the movie that we met on, this movie that we shot, we were shooting in Greece.
Yeah.
So I think obviously over there, he was like really, he did tell me that I think we should get married. He told me that in Greece, and he told me once in Ladakh as well when we were shooting the song.
Yeah.
That I think we'll make a great couple. And at that time, I was just like, I don't know, because I don't know you, you know. So it was not really a no. It was just that, you know, I want to know you better. I have everything that, no? But I think from Saif, I would actually want his brain, because I think that he's truly gifted, and like just, you know, the way he absorbs things, he's so intelligent, he's so articulate, he's I would like his mind.
Yeah.
Both Saif and me are, I think we're like, you know, one unit, we're like one, you know. The best part is that till now, I mean, I always tell him that, you know, even now when he leaves for a shoot and I'm, you know, away from him, it still feels like he's leaving me for the first time. What would I want from Priyanka Chopra? Well, I think it would be her voice. She has a lovely voice. Deepika Padukone, what would I want from her? Her smile. I think she has a beautiful smile. Alia, what do I want from Alia? Alia, I think I want... yeah, I don't mind. I think she's a bundle of talent, so I don't mind taking some from her. Even now when like people ask me that why are you doing a show or something, you know, I would be my answers like, why not? You know, it's also encouraging talent from, you know, across India, giving them love, showing them, you know, the way forward. I think it's amazing to have actors who, if we can't do it, you know, who will? They want to constantly, but it's good now, because then people, and they have, you know, constantly throw challenges at you, and then you kind of, you know, try and prove them wrong, and that was validation.
Of course.
You know, that was something that was there, because a lot of people were like, you know, you can't do a role like Chameli, you're just 22, you don't even know what it's like. So that happened. But I had my own struggle as breaking away from that, you know, when you're attached to also Lolo was, you know, the darling of the 90s.
I think she was the biggest superstar of the 90s.
Yeah, she was. She had like, you know, 14, 15 blockbusters in a row. So I had that pressure also coming from this family. Also the pressure of Lolo's younger sister. Will she be, you know, as good as Lolo, as successful as Lolo? How will it be? And of course, everything else was history after that. But I had my fair share of struggle, which is different, which obviously people try to brush under the carpet, that obviously she didn't have a struggle. I think that I'm humbled to have had this career, and I think I'm truly lucky to have a career, and, you know, over 18 years. Hopefully another 2 decades for sure. So that's my passion, that's my aim, and that's something that I'll always work towards, which I promised my fans, that I'm here to stay.